This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Today we have seen last session we have seen RF. Okay, we executed deconsolidation and okay picking side as well, pick back stage and load. Okay, and please execute that deconsolidation automatic with zero DKS. Okay, condition procedure which is available in the book. Okay, now what kind of information we need to provide for any screen changes or something in RF environment. Okay, this comes under the enhancements. E. Enhancements. Okay, functional consultant role is RF screen changes and options. Screen changes and options. Okay, if customer asks multiple time scans or something, in that case, okay, what kind of information we need to provide the technical consultant, that is important for us. Coming to here, RF environment, okay, internally framed as three layers. Okay, I will show those. What is the advantage of EWM RF is flexible screen layout, okay, and standard functionalities. Several they have given standard function is like F9 for error, F7 for comeback, F1 for log off, and okay, a few more also there. Okay, RF log on and navigation through menus. Okay, say here we have seen direct menus. Okay, standard navigation, direct navigation, virtual navigation also we have seen, and exception codes. Okay, it is possible to use exception codes. Okay, tomorrow our topic is exception handling. Okay, that is also possible here. Okay, say here these different kind of RF scanners we can see in the warehouse environment. Coming to connectivity, say here this is the SAP server. Okay, we use in between some routers. These routers are going to be connecting to the RF environment. Okay, different options are there. ITS mobile one option also there, and SAP personas. Okay, I will share one video. Okay, that if we go through that SAP personas latest one. Okay, if we change any web browser, automatically those changes will be update within the RF environment. The very latest one. Okay, these things, that is very easy as well. Okay, very less technically involvement is required for that. This one. And coming to here, system layers in radio frequency. Okay, three layers. The first one is the DynPro layer. DynPro means screens. Okay, all the screens comes under this DynPro layer. DynPro layer. Okay, within this DynPro layer, we see the display profile. Display profile means size of the screen. If it's a truck mount device, we use one kind of display profile, and say here a handheld device, we use another display profile. And the presentation device, this is the device name. Actually, this we use at okay resource level, device level. Within that device, we can assign the display profile. I will show you it. Go to extended warehouse management recording, right? Yes. Extended warehouse management, master data, resource management, maintain resources. Come to our warehouse CKFB. Go to here. Here one is okay. Presentation device we have okay we have assigned for the resource. Now come to here. Under the master data, we can see maintain presentation devices. Say here. One is CKMX3. Here, say here display profile. Here. Okay. Here we can assign the display profile. Okay. Here within this we can use some how many this one function keys are required kind of things we can see. This one say here. Okay. Resource is associated with the presentation device Within that presentation device, we go with the display profile. Okay, say here. Now say here subscreens. Subscreens means, if you observe, once I click on the inbound delivery, okay, it is coming the options like unload, deconsolidation, put away kind of things. That is calling subscreen. If we click on unload, it is asking unloading my delivery or something option. Okay, means that is calling subscreens. Those subscreens and etc comes under the Dynpro layer only. Dynpro layer. Templates. SAP is providing standard templates. Okay, say here we can use the as it is standard. If we want, we go with any this one enhancements or something. Business, this is the first layer. Dynpro layer only talks about the screens. What is the screen size? Okay, like kind of thing. Okay, sub screens and etc. Now coming to here, business logic layer. Business logic layer, this used in the runtime transactions. Say for example, if we give uh, unload by delivery. Okay, if I click on the, if we give the delivery number and I click on the, okay, enter button, it is calling what are the HUs. Okay, kind of things. This is, that is nothing but a next step. Okay, each and every screen associated backend with logical transaction, some logical transaction. This one. Okay, this everything is works within that logical. These logical transactions are associated with function modules. Function modules means high level, no need to keep everything, just theoretically you should know these function modules, part of the function code profiles. Okay, and validation profile. Say for example, if I am executing say gr area, if I scan it, system is showing left side something. If I enter something, okay, in our practice case, control C control V means copy paste I am giving. Okay, how that is validating? Through this business logic only. Through this business, say if any customer asks, say for example, I don't want to go for so many validations and etc, in that case just we can change the validation profiles and etc. Next, content provider. This is the third layer. Content provider means everything available in the database. Whenever we are doing some transactions and etc from the database, it will come to the business logic layer. Say very simple to understand. Say for example, if you enter, you are doing bank transactions, customer ID, password. Okay, you enter in that screen. Okay, say some data from the database come and there both can validate. Either you enter the correct customer ID or else password kind of things. Okay, this one. The content provider is, that is that database. That nothing but content provider. Database is nothing but, this is the real database. Business logic layer is runtime database. Runtime database. Both should be validated. Then only that will execute. Otherwise, no. Okay, these things. Now we go with a small transactions. Okay, what kind of information and etc. Here we need to provide what is the step, what is the logical transaction, what is the screen number, okay, what is the Dyn Pro program. This information 100%, okay, fulfill the functional design document FSD. Okay, this we can see. First, I will do one thing. Let's just wait for a moment. I'm doing something. Now go to ECC system. VL 31N. Tomorrow we see the exception handling through this one, what RF and both GUI environment also. That is fine. Go to, I'm taking one palette. say here 8686. Now go to delivery process, inbound delivery, maintain inbound delivery notification. Inbound delivery, get your palette is there. Go to follow on functions, warehouse task, handling unit. It is going to palette. Okay, have a look. Queue determination, unload got determined. I'm going to monitor. Inbound documents, inbound delivery, warehouse order. Not yet created. This is our delivery. Now come to here, create plus saving. Now refresh the monitor. Queue got determined. I am assigning this resource. Assign to resource. So this we confirm through RF environment. We know RF UI transaction code /n/SEWM RF UI. Say here this one. Auto log on option we have opted. That's why direct screen is going. Say inbound process. Say here. These are the these screens menus all are in Dynpro layer. Dynpro. Inbound process, it is calling subscreens. Okay, unloading subscreens, unloading by delivery. This is option is there. Subscreens. Now this is calling subscreens. Here the business logic layer will come. Say here. If I am entering this one, press enter. From the database, okay, say it is calling again logic. Okay, I am giving this HU number here 6903. Immediately if I click on the enter, immediately some data comes from database. Okay, why? Because I have given inbound delivery and HU. Either this HU is associated with the delivery or not, the data come from the content provider and both can cross check. Say here, that is fine, that's fine. Okay, say here, if we see this is fine. Okay, we have selected through HU only, that's why no need to go for any option and etc. Say for example, I am giving some wrong here. This field works with validation profile, invalid destination verification, invalid destination verification. If we click on the F9, you can get the complete error message in separate screen. In laptop, I have given say here this one. If I click on the F7, it will go. Now again, I am giving the correct one. Say here, if I am giving this correct one, internally one data will come and check that. Here it is displaying. Okay, internally database also can come. Done, completely unloaded. Yes. Now say here. sorry. If we go to here, as I said, for waiting warehouse task, warehouse order will not have waiting warehouse task. The only one is there. I'm going again here. Say here. Here inbound got triggered. Inbound got triggered. Say here. I am assigning resource. Now again go to this is the task. This is the task. Okay. To move to decon shop floor. Now coming to RF environment, F7, F7, F7. System guided we can go. System guided by selection. These only will come. Oh, this is not there. Okay. So okay. System guided by Q. Inbound. Say this is there. Now see here. I want to move the HU in this screen. Just I am giving one example. I want to move the HU from GR zone to deconsolidation. This one. Just I want to display what are the products inside of it. Here HU only coming. This is the HU warehouse task. HU warehouse task. But I have okay customer. If customer asked, just you want to see the product inside of it. If any glassware items are there, he need to care carefully or something, move something. Okay, say got it, got my point. Sorry, if it's a hard, okay, this one problem, no problem. If he wants to handle with care, what should the product inside of it? Anyway, we have the HU with us. Within the HU, we can get the content, right? Just customer asked, assume that customer is asking to display the products. No need to go for any product verification and etc. In this screen. If customer asked, what should we do? Okay, say here two options are there. Okay, first I am giving one option. Just click on Control plus Shift plus F1 in your desktop or laptop. This one, Control Shift F1. Here in my laptop, I am using Control Shift F1. Say here, this one screen is appearing here. Just application display profile, these are the standard ones. Okay, these are the standard ones. Okay, or else if you are using, you are in a support project and continuous improvements or something, any display profile and etc. Then you can note down this presentation profile also, you can note down this. Okay, now just check this logical transaction. You need to enter the FSD. This information you need to provide. Logical transaction step. Step, screen number, this is screen number, Dynpro program name, this information you should have to give. Logical transaction, step, screen number, Dynpro. Actually, this is the okay. This is the modify screen. Modify screen. We need to incorporate some new additional fields. This one. Okay. They use say here modify screen. Click on here. What they can do. Okay. Go to this is the wizard screen wizard. From here I also don't have any authorization. Okay, some mat number is there. Select that is here this one, and we don't require any verification here. Verification here, and any other we can see. Nothing is there. Just go to here. Here, if we want to go with a verification field, here mat number. If we want to go with any verification field, here they can use this one verification field. This one they enter it. Here function group and a screen number. This screen no standard they cannot touch it. They cannot touch it. And this function group, okay, they create a new one. Function module, existing function module, they cannot touch it. Okay, they can enter this. Where they can do all these logical transactions and etc. Okay, I will show you. Go to IMG setup. Extended verification manage sorry verification extended warehouse management, mobile data entry, radio frequency framework, define steps in the logical transactions. Go to here. Here logical transactions they provide they use some simplified form as well. Say for example, this is like this. PT starts with put away. I have given some RF cookbook, right? Not forwarded. In the group, I have forwarded, right? RF cookbook. One thing, sir. I will verify it. I have forwarded, I think. Within that, complete information, you can check. Yeah. 17th, on 17th April, I have forwarded one book. Just download and go through that book. Say here, this PTWY, PTWOSY is a logical transaction. But in the system, they simplified as you can see this PT star 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 means all the put away logical transactions to start with, and PT WO star star also we can see WO star star 6-digit field this one. Now we will check it. Go to here. Define logical transactions where this step is available. First go to this one. This is the step PTHUSC. Within this, define logical transaction step flow. Here, this step is not there. Here, see here. This is here. Step is not there. Now we will check it. PTWO star star. Here we can check this step is there or not. They are check. They can check. Technical consultant. We cannot do anything. Just we provide this information only. For our purpose, I am checking. Step is PTHUSC. Step. Yeah, here it is there. Under PTWO. And whatever background is there, there's the standard one, we cannot touch that. Okay, say here. If we see here, foreground only it will work. This is the function module. They use this is the function module. See here. Copy this function module. Okay, they add new fields and with that new screen, okay, they can use. Now we will check where the screen flows and etc. Subscreens. PTWO. Nothing is there. Screens PT after here. Not there in this. Yeah, now come to again logical transaction flow. we will check the this one PTWO SY system guided. SY means PT warehouse order, put away warehouse order, system guided. Here it is there. PTHUSC. Display profile is this one. Say here, this is the display profile. 3710 is there. See here. 3710 is there. Screen program also you can see here. Screen program. Okay. Here, once after they do the changes in the new screens and etc., here they can use validation profiles. Okay. That we will have a look. Here, validation profile is there. Under where it is, we can check. PTS, WISO, any validation profile is there, we will check. Yeah, it is there. PTHUSC. For everything, new entries is there. Step is PTHUSC. These two are there. If we see here, this is two only the verification fields. What are there? We will have a look. VELNR, VLPLA. Okay, this we can check. For this one is VLPLA. We will check it. Okay, say here. VLPLA is nothing but HU. This is bin. Here HU barcode transaction not there. If you want to go with any new item and verification also, here you need to ensure under this one against this step. Here object we can see. VLPLA source bin. Source bin we are verifying. VLENR source HU. Source bin and source HU here. This is the barcode transaction. Okay, like okay. This their button we provide. Okay, this information. Okay, to in the FSD. Only these four are enough for them. These 4 or 5. Okay, say here like this. Now, say for example, here we don't have any required. Now go to here and this one. Here door, shop floor, and etc. are there. Okay. Now we will check what are the this one what scanning verification fields and etc. for this one. Control Shift F1 step. Logical transaction is same, but step is this one. Say here step PTHUDS. Step is PTHUDS. Now come to here. Step this one. 3 are there. HU is barcode. Now we will check what are the this one. Source HU is destination HU is there. Destination this one is there. 3 fields are there. Okay. Say here. One is not verified. What is this? We can check. NLPLA2 destination bin. NLPLA here. What the source HU we will check. Only two are verification fields here. NL, ELNR, ENR, destination HU, that is barcode here. Destination HU, this works with barcode, and this one destination bin is there. One more verification. This one they have given additional. Okay, destination bin is both need to verify. They both need to verify. Okay, say both need to verify. 6903. Done. Okay. Now come to here, monitor. These are we know distributive put away. Okay. So distributive put away we know. Now say here this is every time control shift F1 we are using, right? If we activate one user parameter tech display in projects, if we ask security one basis consultant, they can do it during this time. Okay, FD, FSD preparation time. That I will show. Go to F01. If we provide the user parameter for every screen, automatically that will come. Now go to monitor. Next, this HU is available in decon shop floor. Now go to RF environment F7, inbound delivery, decon. Okay, log on to decon, DC, SF. That is log on. If we observe here, say here, it is appearing. Okay, at this time we don't have any steps and etc. Step is standard only, RF main, RF menu and etc. Now I am going to deconsolidation manually. Say here, it is changed. If you click on control F1, you can see here only. Logical transaction, SFEXMN. Okay, step SPSHIN. Program name, this one. Say here, up to here, program name, spreading. Okay, and this one, screen number, this one, like this. Okay, like they can use it. Now we are using this 6903. Say here. Here, open where post are to go to here. Say here, more than two are there. I want to show in this one, splitting screen, or else each screen I want to see only one here. Only, only one. My, say here. I want to see each item in one separate screen. In that case, we need to go for splitting the screen. Split the screen. Say for example, Control Shift F1. Okay, arrange this information only we can. Another option is there, split screen. Here, screen sequences. Say here, one is there. Say for example, they want to go with some fields to, oh, sorry, not selected. Okay, this continue. Here, see here. Again, continue. What is the function codes? Either what is the function code of screen one, screen two, like they can see here. They can select function group they can create, they can shoot the screen. But from our end, we need to give this information. One is control shift to F1. One option is there. Another option is here. Okay. Say here, if we activate the this one user parameter, say here one I have selected, and go to here. HU creation we can use. Say every time it is changing. Say, enter. Say here. It is changing here. Okay. Close the put away HU. Yes. Now, one more is there, open warehouse task. Okay. Like we can go with this control plus shift and etc. Just go through this RF cookbook. Okay. PT star 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 means all the put away. All the put away. And another is one thing, PT star star. Other also we can see PA star star picking side. Yeah, tomorrow and after tomorrow, we discuss exception handling and opportunistic crossback. See here, PA star star picking transactions for selecting all picking transactions. PT star star put away for all. Put away. See here, HU wise. PV. Okay, just this I never used. What is this? Okay, next. RH star star receiving handling units. SH star star just loading common part not usable. SPEX that is blank is there. Okay. UL star star unloading. Okay, like they can use just to go through that cookbook once. Okay, now you will understand. Okay, how they mapped this one the series PT PA series etc. Okay, you can get it. Okay, sir. Thank you. Tomorrow we
Sir,
will
I have
discuss.
one question.
Yeah.
Somewhere like I was seeing TU, transportation unit. Where does it used? What is the use of it?
Yeah, transportation to unload by TU only we can see. Unload by TU. Say here, this one. But
So
in yard
how
management,
do we get TU?
if you activate yard management, okay, you can get it. Okay, just to go through two topics are there. One is with yard management, another one is with not yard management. Some processes are there in book. Just to go through that, you will get some idea.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.